What's the meaning of carrion crow? Carrion crow. Carrion crow.
Carrion crow. Carrion crow. A carrion crow is a type of bird that feeds on the carcasses of dead animals. It is a member of the crow family and is found in many parts of the world, including Europe, Asia, and North America. These birds are scavengers and play an important role in cleaning up the environment by feeding on dead and decaying matter. They have black feathers and are known for their loud, distinctive cawing calls. Despite their somewhat gruesome diet, carrion crows are fascinating creatures with an important ecological niche.